Hi everyone, today's lesson is very exciting. We're going to study the different meanings of the word Caraga in different contexts. Look at the first example. خرج الرجل من البلدة من غير رجعة. Of course you all know that خرج means left. So الرجل, the man. الرجل, the man. خرج, left. خرج, left. So the man left من البلدة, the town. And never to return. من غير رجعة. And never to return. من غير رجعة in English it means without returning or coming back. But to make the sentence meaningful and shorter, we used never to return. We used the verb with never to return. So the man left the town and never to return. خرج العالم باستنتاج مهم. خرج here is close to the meaning in English come up with, just like when we say come up with a bright idea. But here خرج العالم, the scientist. العالم means the scientist. استنتاج, conclusion. مهم means important or significant. So the scientist made a significant conclusion. خرج العالم باستنتاج مهم. أخرج فلان من السباق. أخرج is close to the meaning in English to be dismissed. So خرج or يخرج, when we oblige someone to leave a competition, a place or situations like that, we say he was dismissed. أخرج فلان means so and so. I mean somebody we don't know. من السباق, from the race. So the perfect verb in this context in English is ousted. Means dismissed. So and so fulan was ousted from the race. خرج, which has another meaning, a very important meaning, means revolt against or rise against. خرج الشعب على, and usually خرج here collocates with the preposition على. خرج الشعب, the people means الشعب. خرج revolted or rose against حكومته, which is the government, but it's better here in this context to translate it as country. خرج الشعب على حكومته. The people, الشعب, revolted against خرج, their country. Or the people rose against their country. خرج means to be out of something. Yes, not following track, route, or stuff of the kind. Look at this example. خرج means left. القطار, the train. عن, from. القضبان, the rails. Or المسار, track. Look at this translation. The train ran off the track. Ran off in this sense means خرج. because this is very common in English. We have a different translation or a variation. The train has gone off rails. Has gone off rails means خرج, and the train القطار عن القضبان rails, قضبان rails. The track here is close to المسار. So again خرج القطار عن القضبان المسار. The train ran off the track. The train has gone off rails. خرج means here violate or does not show respect to. خرجت هذه البلد عن اتفاقية باريس. So here خرجت means violated. البلد country. عن اتفاقية, which is convention or agreement. Paris, that's the capital of France. Paris. So that country seceded or broke away Paris Convention. خرجت, seceded, broke away اتفاقية باريس, Paris Convention. لا يخرج هذا الأمر عن كونه تصرفا صبيانيا. Here لا يخرج هذا الأمر, that's an expression. الأمر, which means this matter, هذا الأمر, this matter. لا يخرج is nothing but, ليس أكثر من أو لا يخرج. A babyish behavior, which is تصرفا صبيانيا. babyish صبيانيا, behavior تصرف. So لا يخرج هذا الأمر عن كونه تصرفا صبيانيا. This matter is nothing but a babyish behavior. خرج يعد هذا الرجل من الخارجين عن الحزب. It's very close in meaning to dissidents. يعد هذا الرجل, this man is من one of الخارجين, dissidents. الحزب, the party's dissidents. This man is one of the party's dissidents. ما زال خرج, ما زال الخارج على قانون حرا طليقا. الخارج على القانون means someone who breaks the law. So we can put all these words in one word, the outlaw. The outlaw. ما زال is still. ما زال is still. حرا طليقا, which means free at large. And this is an English expression which gives the meaning حرا طليقا. So the outlaw is still at large. خرج here in this context means irrelevant or is not relevant to the topic being discussed right now. Look at this translation. إن موضوع الإنشاء. موضوع الإنشاء here means the composition. الذي كتبته, you wrote. خارج عن الموضوع, we translate this phrase in one English word, irrelevant. إن موضوع الإنشاء, that's a composition. الذي كتبته, you wrote. خارج عن الموضوع is irrelevant. خرج, when we talk about mobile phones out of service. Look at this example. الرقم, which is the number, المطلوب خارج نطاق الخدمة. The number مطلوب in English means required, but because we talk about mobile phones, when we dial a number we say رقم مطلوب. The number is dialed. الرقم مطلوب. خارج نطاق, which is a ring, is outside or out of the range of service. I'm sorry. So the number you dialed, الرقم المطلوب, cannot be reached at the moment. خارج نطاق الخدمة. cannot be reached at the moment. خارج نطاق الخدمة. The number, this is another translation, the number you dialed is out of reach. Is out of reach. خارج نطاق الخدمة. The last translation possible here is the number you dialed is out of use. Is out of use. خارج نطاق الخدمة. Now we reached the end of our video. Now اختبر قدرتك. Test your ability to translate. Wait for the answer in the next video. Try to translate these 3 sentences. First one, خرجت منى عن طورها. هذا الباب للخروج. هذه الآلة خارجة عن الخدمة معطلة. Thank you very much.